In this video, I'll show you how to change the inputs on your LG Smart TV. There's multiple ways on how to do this. So let's start with the first one, which is to click on the input button on the remote control. This one is the one on the top right corner. If you have this kind of a remote control, then the input is right over here, same spot, but it looks different. Once you click on that button, you're gonna have this menu appearing down below, where you're gonna have all your inputs that you'll be able to switch using the left and right arrow. So over here I have my Roku stick that is connected to HDMI1. If I had an Xbox on HDMI2, it will be right over here. So once you're over it, press the middle button and the TV will switch to the input you have selected. Another way on how to change the inputs is by, again, pressing the input button here, going all the way to where it says Home Dashboard, and then you'll have the input displayed in another way. And what I like about this is that if you do not have something connected in one of the HDMI ports, well, it will be grayed out. So for sure, when this is grayed out, it means that the TV does not recognize that there is a device connected. Most of the time, it's because that device is turned off. So you may have plugged in your PlayStation or whatever, but if it's turned off, there's a good chance that it will stay grayed out because the TV does not know that something is there. Now let me show you how to switch input in case you don't want to do it with the remote control. Maybe you lost it. So the first step is to locate the power button that is under the TV. Sometimes it's on the right side, sometimes it's on the left side. Mine is right in the middle. Let me show you how it looks. So this is the TV, and right over here is the power button. So no matter where you are on your TV, you're gonna give a small tap on that power button. Do not keep it pressed, just a small tap like this. And a menu will appear down below. You'll have power off, inputs, volume up, down, channel down. To select inputs, you need to give a small tap, and this menu disappears if you do not select anything during 10 seconds. So let me tap once to make it appear, tap once to select input, and then long tap, keep it pressed to select inputs. Okay, great, we're in the inputs menu. Now by clicking once on it, I'll be able to shuffle through the different inputs. This is my Roku stick. I tap another time, it will go to antenna. I tap again, and it will go to HDMI 2 that has nothing, as you see. And this way I can shuffle through the different connected device. If you have 3 HDMI devices connected, every time you're gonna tap, it will switch from one to another. Once you're done, just wait, and the menu down below will disappear and you'll be able to use the input you have selected. So thanks for watching. I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.